Hi everybody, welcome to a new videos by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and today's video is very important. In this video we will learn how to set up a brand kit in Canva. So first of all, let me clarify this. There are multiple pricing plans in Canva ranging from free, pro, enterprise, Canva for education and Canva for not for profit. So Canva brand kit is only available for all the paid versions, not for the free version. Yes, Canva brand kit is available for the pro, enterprise, education, and not for profit, and is not available for the free user. So if you are a free user and you just want to enhance your knowledge about how to set up brand kit in Canva, so this video is for you. But if you have a paid version, so this video is definitely for you. So let's dive into today's video. In the home page of Canva, just scroll down the menu bar from the left side. Here I find in the tools section, I click on brand. So here I find a number of brand kits already available. So I just click on the add new button on the top right corner. So there I find two options here, brand kit and brand template. So I click on brand kit. So first of all, it's need my name of your brand kit. So for today's video I took Mercedes-Benz website for sample. I'm going to set up a brand kit for Mercedes-Benz. So I name this kit Mercedes-Benz. So I just click on create button. So Mercedes-Benz brand kit is created. So in the brand kit there are multiple options. Number one is branded logo, second one is brand colors, and third one is branded font. So we start from the brand logo. So I come on this website, Mercedes-Benz website. So there for the logo there are multiple case studies. There are three options out there. For example, the number one is if the client provide you a logo without background. The number two is the client provide you a logo with background. And third one is you have no logo and you have to extract it from the website. So I started from the third one first because right now I don't have logo and my client doesn't provide it. Mercedes-Benz is not one of my client. I just took this as an example for today's video. So this is Mercedes-Benz website. I have to right click on it and a number of options out there, open link, new tab, open link, new window. I have just to click on the last one, which is inspect. If I click on inspect, and inspect a bar or tab is open on my left side. So I have to click on this one. I need to find the network bar. I click on network and then click on image. It is already selected because I use this option. This is already selected. I click on image and then come uh, on the reload button. I also press Ctrl plus R on my keyboard. This is a shortcut key, but right now I press this button. What will happen, all the images out there in this page will come out and display on this bar. So there are number of images out there, and once it is fully loaded, so I can get a logo from here. For example, I click on the first one. So here is image. Logo SVG. Okay, here I find a logo SVG. It is format of SVG. You have also to check out which formats are available for Canva logo. For example, SVG is eligible. So I right click on this and save image. This image is saved on my download bar. So I have to click if there any variation or anything else for me to download, brand without claim. So I have to open this in new tab. Let me search what is this. This is a header section and nothing is visible to me. It may be because it has white background. So I come back, I click on the next option. This is a photo. So this is bar. I have to quickly, okay, Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes me, she Mercedes, Mercedes me, she Mercedes. Okay, so like this you can extract every image right now available for this on this page. So I just simply click on this and the bar is closed. So I come on my brand kit homepage, I click on the branded logo, and here I upload this logo. Okay, upload error. Some of the files you are trying to upload are not compatible with Canva, or they have been corrupted. Please make sure all files you upload in the right format. Okay, got it. So what I have to do is, right now I simply Google it svg to png. So here is the website svg to png.com. I click on this, I upload my logo, which is this, and convert into png. So it is converted into png. I click on download, all. So it is downloaded. Let me search in the downloads tab. Yes, let me search here. Yes, here it is. So the logo is here. I click on the upload logo, and here I find the brand logo. Once the logo is uploaded, it automatically extract the colors from the logo. So I have to keep it right now, but I will come on this later part of the video. The first one option, the third one is the client couldn't provide me, and in this way I can extract logo from their website for free. In the second option, if you have a logo, so it may be with a background or may be without background. If the provided logo is without background, you can easily upload in a brand kit like this. I've done it. But if you have a logo with a background, for example, I simply search on Google Mercedes Benz logo. So here find with a background color, for example this one. Okay, yes, with the logo has a background of black color. So it is available on the online option. I just right click on the image and copy image address, and then I come on this website remove.bg. I will give its description of all website I will use in this right now. So I just control plus V on my desktop on my keyboard. So automatically this website remove the background from the photo. So I just click on download, and the logo is downloaded. So this is where you can remove the background if your logo is with background. So the number of options is covered, how to upload a brand logo. Now we come on the brand colors. So every brand use its own brand colors. So whenever you upload a logo, the colors are automatically extracted from the logo. Okay, the number of options is there. First of all, I write to rename this by Mercedes Benz MZ1. Okay, so this is the number one palette. If I have to add a new color, what should I do? I just click on this plus button, and a bar overcomes on me. A bar overcomes me. So I have to click a new color. So I use this extension, which is Colorzilla. I will also give its link in the description. I click on option page color pick active. So I just click and I pick up any color from the home page. For example, I just pick up this purple color. I come on this home page, brand kit page, and then click on Control V. So this color is added. So I have to if for example I have to more color, so I click on the plus button, and then easily choose from this bar or this bar. Okay, for example I use yellow one. I come on the yellow, and this is yellow shade. Okay, so this is how you can easily add more colors if you need. Third part is the font. The font are very crucial part for every brand. So I come on the website, I use this extension which is name is what font. I click on this, and it shows me which font they are using on their website. I click on, for example, this. So it will help me about the style, weight, size, line weight, everything about the font. I click on the cross button, and then I click this. So they are using MB Corpo text. So I have to first exit this word font and then search on font. So MB Corto, I don't think so it is available for the on the MB Corto. So this font is not available in Canva, although I'm using the pro version, but I have to search it on Google. MB Corto font, free download. Okay, MB Corto, no, because the brand uses their logo. For example, I search on Google Fonts. There are a number of websites where you can find multiple options of fonts. So if MB Carto font is not available, so don't worry, I have to use another one. For example, Roboto. Like, I just want to know how to upload font. I just want to upload right now. So let me find any font which fulfill my need. For example, this one, Ibera Real Nova. I click on this and download the family right now. So family is downloaded. So I just go to my yes, this one, downloads bar. I just extract this and come on my Canva brand kit section. Okay, I come on the upload a font button. I click on it and just upload font, this one and this one. So I use this one. So when you click on it, you have the rights to use this. The font I am uploading is free, available on the Google fonts website. So I can easily use this. Yes, upload anyway. So it needs some time to upload that font. Once it is completed, that font is available for us. So here is how you can upload a custom font here, or you can also use any available font here. For example, I use Montserrat extra bold in the heading. Okay, it took some time for me. I subheading I use Montserrat semi bold, and for body style I use simple Montserrat. So this is how, if you need a logo from the already available logo fonts from the Canva, and if you want to upload a font I have just shown you. So here is a complete video how to set up brand kit. Okay, the second part is right now. Once you set up your brand kit, so where you have to access this, first of all, come on this brand section, but in the I will go to the home page and open a new design. For example, I click on the Instagram post design. I click on the, let me, okay, I come on this page and then click on create a blank Instagram post. Yes, so there are three options. First of all, I search logo from being in the design. Once it is fully loaded, okay, there are a number of tabs out there: templates tab, elements tab, upload tab. Just drop it down and here you can find a logos tab. For example, if you couldn't find, like, just move this to more. So just drop down and click on more, and here you find a logos tab. So click on logos tab and click on the brand kit of Mercedes-Benz. Yes, and here you find the logo. So I simply click and upload that logo on my home design. That logo seems to be not high resolution, but this video is not to keep this high resolution, but this video is to educate you how to set up brand kit. So second option is where to access colors. So just click on the design, click on the colors, and just here you can find these colors which we set up a color palette with the name of MZ1, with a white, that is grayish, that is purple, that is yellow color. So here you can find brand colors. About colors, there's another option about there. There's a styles tab. So here you can variant use this. You can automatically design any tab, any design with your brand kit. For example, if I open a new page, I delete the background color. I just come on the templates bar and I just click on car. So for example, I use this one logo, this one design. I come on the styles bar and just click on my color palette MZ1. So this will create a similar design to my brand colors. It only uses my brand colors. So here you can find out where colors are there, and you have to find out easily by using this color tab and styles tab. The third one option is branded logos. So in the styles tab you can also access to your fonts. For example, if I click on this, so it will upgrade your design with your selected fonts. If you don't want to choose the styles button, so simply click on your font and the font option is available there, and uh, your font, your uploaded font are there. Montserrat extra bold, Montserrat symbol. These three fonts are we use in the brand kit. We added in the brand kit. So I have to find out this one. Here is a brand Mercedes-Benz brand kit, and here is the uploaded font which I uploaded and downloaded from Google font, and now I uploaded in the Canva. One thing I want to add up more as a tip. There's a website of Adobe, for example, color extract color from image. So here is a website from Adobe, color.adobe.com. This website is amazing. Let me show you how. Just come on this website and I need to upload my logo in this website. So I know I don't need a logo. Okay, select a file, and this one here is my logo. Okay, so this extract your color from your logo. I just copy on this color, and whenever I come to my brand kit, I easily add this color in my brand kit. For example, this is a kit. I can easily, if I click on a new color, I simply control plus V and this color is already added. But the best thing about Adobe Color is there is a multiple options out there: bright, muted, deep, dark, and none. So what are these? Let me show you. uh, there are a number of people out there who have color blindness or color impairment. So there are multiple modes of colors which you use for your audience. If your audience ranges from the color blindness or color impairment or blind impairment or vision impairment audience, so you need to be use that colors, because that colors would shall be visible to them. So if I want to extract the gradient, I click on extract gradient. I accessibility tools. So here I've completely find everything. So here's a preview which also say fail, pass, and pass. So large text pass, and is a font for 17 pixels and below. It couldn't work for me. So contrast checker, I have to change the tools. You must need to visit this website. I will also give a link to this website in my description. So thank you so much for today's video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and comment any requested video you need for the Canva. So thank you so much for today. Take care and have a very good day. Thank you so much.